So honestly, the amazing exchange of ideas. A lot of people, a lot of friendly faces, but being in one place, in one location, talking about the same topics, really kind of curved the thoughts for each and every one of us. Of course, it goes without saying, AI and HR, and how can we use AI into our advantage? They always say that AI will replace people. We don't believe that. Now it's time to sit on a table and to discuss how to make sure that does not happen. Honestly, it made me align and agree with many people that there is a need to reinforce the ideas, at least in level of practice. When you're looking at how things are done today versus how they will be done after 5, 10, 15 years, honestly, there is a need to reinforce, and such sessions like this help us get to the bottom of that.